Oh, a worshipper at my shrine. In this day and age? How interesting. Well, you must be thinking where I am, aren't you? Don't answer. I am in your thoughts. I can hear every single thought you currently have in that little sapient mind of yours. But pray tell, why have you come up to me today? Perhaps you are seeking the life of your dreams, or you have a little crush of whom you wish to reciprocate your feelings. You would just like a hug, a simple embrace from me? You do know you can receive that affection from literally anybody else, do you not? It is not like I am opposed to that idea. I just find it odd. Nevertheless, you did offer some of my most beloved delicacies, so I suppose one hug cannot hurt. Surprise? Yes, marvel at my appearance. I look just like my statues, do I not? They were crafted by the best sculptors of my time, after all. Of course these tales are real. I've never seen one before. If you are extra obedient, I might reward you with a pat or two. But for now, you asked for a hug, so come over here, little human. This feels nice. I can understand why you like hugs. Oh, why don't you come a little closer so I can hold you better? There we go. Such a good boy for me. You are welcome to enter my shrine anytime. It has been quite a while since I've had visitors. You know, kitsunes get lonely too. How long have I been alone? I would estimate around 500 years or so. I have lost count. Yes, the view up here is pleasing, but humans rarely visit me anymore. Even my companions have moved on to greener pastures. I would bet I am lost in history by now. Oh, no, it's not as bad as I make it seem to be. Please, don't worry about this old kitsune. You want to make me feel better? Do not say stuff like that without truly meaning it. I have been in solitude for multiple centuries. I think I can survive without human affection. My tails? You want to pet them? I suppose you have been courteous so far. Fine. I am not one to back down on my promises. So, I'll sit down and you just pet any spot you like. Would that suffice? That actually feels pleasant. Feels just like when my father grooms my fur. I haven't felt that in so long. Oh? No, do not worry. I was simply reminiscing. Please, continue. Human? I would like to ask you something. Do you believe in true love? Well, never mind. These matters are not stuff to be discussed with humans. What? No. No. I didn't mean it like that. Well, it's not like I do not like you. It's just, your touch is really soothing and your scent is nice. Oh, I've dug myself into a hole. Like I have said, I have been lonely for a long time. I've been lying to myself. I don't think I can live another decade without human interaction. I've stayed in my shrine for so long, never moving anywhere else because I didn't want to abandon my family's property. I'm the only kitsune left in my bloodline, and I'm afraid of what's to come if I don't do anything about it. Yes, perhaps this is a lot to share with you. I didn't mean to be a burden. Human, you want to continue praying in my shrine? Well, that makes me happy to hear. Like I said, you're welcome to enter my shrine anytime. I could use the extra company. But for now, I will revel in the touch of your hands. Just keep on petting me like that. It feels nice. Yes? You have something to say? You want to continue my plotline? Human, don't suddenly say indecent stuff like that. Especially to a kitsune that's bad manners. But I suppose it sounds kinda nice. Don't take that the wrong way. I am just not prepared for it yet. Human, let's do that thing you humans like to do. Cuddling, it was called. Yes, let's just cuddle for now, okay? We'll deal with those matters later.